guys, it's Mallory Westbrook. I'm a staff engineer over at Intelligent Concrete. Today I'm coming to you from my social distancing headquarters, and I wanted to talk to you about ASTM C494, specifically the Type S for special performance of chemical admixtures. What it is, why do we care about it? Over at Intelligent Concrete, we have been running the 494 for many years, and I have done more 494 reports than I ever dreamed possible. John always jokes that that is the reason I was hired, because the 494 report is so extensive and they needed somebody to do it. So here I am 3 years later, still doing 494s, but in my opinion, the ASTM 494 is one of the most important things that you can do for your product. So basically what it is it's an ASTM standard that goes through a whole list of testing requirements to prove the durability and the performance of your product. So it will give you a mix design for a reference mixture and a mix design for an experimental mixture with your admixture in it. And it gives you a list of tests you need to complete. So time of set, compressive strength up to a year. So it's a long process. Shrinkage, flex, freeze-thaw durability. And then you can add special performance testing in there too. So, you know, your product is really great for underwater environments. Maybe you add in some underwater abrasion. Your product really shines when it comes to permeability. You add in some ASTM C494 wicking. And basically what it is a point-to-point comparison in all of these tests I just mentioned of your product compared to a reference. And the reason this is so important is because this is the ultimate selling tool. I mean, you can go to any engineer, show them your little summary table from the 494 report that shows when you compare my product to the reference in this test, you get a blank percent improvement, or you see no change, which is what we wanted to see, or it is a universal tool that every engineer, DOT, governing body understands. They know this specification. You are using one type of mix and you are showing off your product. You are showing the durability and the performance and how much they should invest in your product, because look how great it is. Look at this. We have all the proof in the pudding right here. You know, we get clients to come to us and we suggest the 494, and you know, it's long. It takes a year. It's a lot of mixes. John always says it's the most backbreaking experience. Luckily, Brooke and John do the lab work and I just get to do the desk report, which also takes several hours. But it really is the number one way that you can approach anyone in the industry and just have, you know, all your marketing that you're saying, oh, we're durable for concrete, we're strong, all of this. This is the tool that provides proof for all of that. So, you know, like I said, we'll have clients come and say, I don't want to spend a year. I don't want to do all these mixes. And then they'll go and they'll have a meeting with an engineer at the DOT and they'll say, show me your 494. Like, yeah, I'm sold. Your product sounds great, but I'm not going to do anything. I can't sign off on it until I have that 494. It really is in the industry the most important thing for showing everybody in the industry how your product works and why they should try it out. So if you have any questions, please leave a comment, let me know, and I'll be happy to answer them. I hope everyone's staying safe and healthy. Thanks.